Do. Welcome back, Franklin Kitchen. How you doing, guys? Hope you're okay and everything's fine today. Today we're going to be making fruitcake. Now there's a reason for that. Of an evening, supper time, I like to have a cup of tea and I like to have a bit of cake, cherry bakewell or whatever. You know, the other day I thought, doing the shopping the other Wednesday, thought to myself, I'll have a bit of fruitcake. I bought this one. Okay, great. Okay, let's have a look. This one here. What do you think? Okay. One of those. Okay. Okay. You get out the wrapper. Bone dry, brittle, grottiness. So I thought, now I ain't having none of that. Not going to buy any more. I'll make my own. So this is what I'm going to make my own. Okay, put that to the side. It's going in the bin in a minute. Okay, right. For these ingredients, basic, easy, ordinary fruitcake. Okay, this is what you're going to need. Okay, 8 ounces self-raising flour, teaspoon baking powder, straight in now. That's the first thing you're going to need. 4 ounces of marge. With me bits. 4 ounces caster sugar. 4 ounces mixed fruit. Now, I like sultanas. I went round the shop to get some sultanas. I ain't bleeding got any. Okay, don't like raisins in black things, but unfortunately, raisins is all they had. Well, these are golden raisins. Ooh, don't know what they're like. We're just about to find out. So 4 ounces mixed fruit, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of milk. Okay, so that's what you need. That's what we're going to do. I've got a little bit of vanilla essence there and a little salt. So this is what we're going to do. That's what you need. Okay, so you got that. If not, just play the video back for the ingredients. Okay, oven on. Now the recipe says 4, but I'm turning it up to gas mark 5 just in case. Okay, gas mark 5. Now it says grease a tin, a loaf tin. Now I've got a tin. I've greased it, but I've also put greaseproof paper in it as well, just to make sure, because it's easy just to peel off. What you don't want to do is get in there and start scraping all the coating when it sticks to all the tin when you've cooked it. You don't want to get in there with a knife or whatever and start scraping the coating off your non-stick pan, so you don't need that. So what I've done is I've greased a loaf tin and then I've put greaseproof paper in it as well. So there you go, loaf tin, ordinary loaf tin, don't know how much it's going to be, don't really care. Okay, quick and easy, this is simple, next to nothing, nice fruitcake. There you go, greaseproof paper in a greased tin, so that's what we're going to need. Okay, put that to the side. Okay, right, this is what we have to do first. Okay, flour and salt together. So there's your flour. I'm going to just pinch of salt. That's it, just a pinch of salt there, like that. Oh, put the lid on. Put the lid on now. Do it as quick as I can because I don't want to bore you to death. Okay. Right. Sieve that in your bowl. Okay, so grab a sieve. Grab a sieve. Just put that there so you know, see what I'm doing. Flour, salt, baking powder. All in your sieve. Like that, side, and just tap. Okay, I'm right-handed really, so just tap. Just tap. Okay. Don't know whether this is going to work. I don't know how it's going to come out. As I said, first time I've done this, but what I'm not going to do is waste my money going and getting that crap from the shop again, because I can't be dealing with it. Okay, there you go, done. Right, so we've done that. So now you've got your flour, baking powder and salt sieved into a bowl. Okay, we're good? Yep. Okay, so now what we've got to do, is bits of rubbing the hand. Okay. Right, now what we've got to do, now you've got your mixture there, now we have to rub in the margarine. So, margarine straight in, and now we have to rub that in. So, just bear with me for a while I rub it in. Okay, I don't know how long this is going to take, but let's rub it in. I'm going to get grotty hands here, but who cares? Okay, so I don't know whether this, please bear with me if it's a bit boring. You say, come on, hurry up, Mark, for Christ's sake. You know, but I've got to rub in, so don't want to start speeding up videos and jumping. You've got to see this. Oh, it's not making crumble. So we're going to rub all that in as best we can. Okay. Rub in the marge. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, but rub it in like you, as I said, like you're doing when you're doing a crumble. Just Just rub it all in. I'll show you in a minute anyway, but like, you see what I'm doing? I'm rubbing. It's like a crumble, look, rub. Don't handle it too much, but then rub. Because you want to get that marge mixed up nice with all your powdered ingredients. Okay? So, now, turn it over. Nice and good rub, spin round. As I said, you're a guinea pig and I'm a guinea pig because I don't normally make these because I like fairy cakes and stuff like that, so I'm always making fairy cakes for the kids. You know, putting icing on top and that, you know. Always making muffins, sticky cookies. I'm going to make that for you as well, sticky cookies, oh my god. You know, they don't snap, they just tear like that part because they're all sticky and gooey. Gooey cookie, I make cookies, I'll do that for you. Right, that's it, we're nearly there. That was a pretty quick rub, if you excuse the pun. Okay. Sexual reference there. Because that's just my dirty mind. Okay, right, we've rubbed as much as we can. A couple of, hear the kids in the background. A couple of rubs there. It's nice, turning into nice breadcrumby mix, look. You see it? A nice breadcrumby mix. I'll show you in a minute anyway, look. Lovely. See that? Good, it's exactly what we want. Just want to get as many of the marge lumps out as possible. Okay. I think that's about it. Looks good to me. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. So you just rub off my fingers. Give your fingers a quick wash. 2 secs. Yeah. Okie dokie. Right. Alright, just rubbing off my hands. Excuse my ugly face up close, a bit rough in it. But now, you got me first thing Saturday morning just in my normal t-shirt. Ain't really doing anything. Ain't done my hair or nothing, so you'll have to put up with me looking like a mess. Alright, that's it, that's the first part done. Okay, then the second thing, there's your mix. Nice and breadcrumby, look, nice and dry still. Nice and breadcrumby rubbed mix. Okay, that's what we've got to do, so that's it. First thing you do, grease your tin, put your paper in, flour, salt, baking powder, then rub in the marge. Next thing we do is we stir in the sugar and the fruit. So that's what we're going to do. Grab a spoon, grab your caster sugar, straight in. Put that there, over there. Okay, and we're going to stir it in. That's it, just stir it in. Okay, there you go. Stir in your, what's the name? Stir in your sugar. It's done now. That's it, that's lovely. So you stirred in your sugar. Next thing you do, stir in your fruit, okay? Straight in. No messing around. Stir in your fruit. Okay? There you go. Stir your fruit in. Done. Lovely jubbly. There's your fruit. Ooh la la. Okay, we're good to that. Mixture, right. Now, okay, done that, there you go, all mixed up together, lovely. Right, then you want 2 eggs and 4 tablespoons of milk together. So I've put 2 eggs in now, 4 tablespoons of milk. Then you don't need it, but I like a little flavour. So what we're going to do is put a dash, just a dash, vanilla essence, okay, just a dash, not too much. Dash, there you go. Okay, put that in your box. Okay, now we've got to beat that. We've got to beat it before you add it, okay? You turn it now with the milk. A little bit. There you go, alright? Okay. Okay. Done. Right, now we add this to the mixture and mix it all together. So you ready? Are you steady? Let's go. Straight in. I'm just going to do this by hand. I'm not actually going to use a mixer. You can use a mixer if you want. I'm actually going to do this by hand. So just bring it all around there, mix it all around. Turn it over there like that. See it stir. When it all bind together, come together. Oh, it looks delicious already. Okay. There you go. Just mix that all together, yeah, Guppy. You know, this ain't MasterChef. Like I said, F word, Hell's Kitchen, none of them. The Ready Steady Cook. Used to love that. Do you remember Ainsley Holmes, Ready Steady Cook? Oh dear, used to love that. That's a drink. Hold on a minute, excuse me. Sorry about that, you caught me drink. I believe Keith Floyd used to drink bottles and bottles of wine when he was cooking. Me? Check this out. Glass, ice, beautiful stuff this. Louisville, honey liquor, yum. Bourbon, lovely. Ice, double dash of that, full up with Coke, or Pepsi, whatever, Coca-Cola. More done better. Okay, so caught me doing that, sorry about that. Right, okay. As you can see, we've mixed up good and proper. That is absolutely perfecto. That's what you're needing. Look, see it? Beautiful, perfect, absolutely perfect. And that's it. That's all we've got to do now. Now we put it in the tin. So we grab our tin. Grab our tin. There you go. This is so quick and easy. Most of the, I've got 11 minutes. Most of that 11 minutes is me talking. Okay. So let's get down to business. Straight in. No messing around. And then like that. Put them in a container. That'll be lovely. And then like that. See if we get as much in as we can. Okay. Got a bit of that in now. Oh, put that in now. Right, just spread it out. Like I said, this is just cake, you know, this ain't Picasso, you know, so you ain't got to start smoothing it over and putting pits in it and God knows what else. Just put the mix in, don't mess around, just put it in, make sure it's straight like that, and that's it, it's done. Now, to add a little bit, there it is, and that's it. Right, to add a little extra crunch, sugar, normal sugar this time, not caster sugar, just sprinkle normal sugar over the top, just to give it a little crunch on the cook. Just a little sugar over the top like that. Boom. Okay, now, as I said, normally it's gas mark 4, but I've put mine on 5 because I like it a little hotter. Okay, now according to the recipe, you're supposed to put this in for 45 minutes or until you can put a skewer in and it comes out dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back at specified times and then I'll come back on to show you it when it's cooked, okay? Okay, so we're just about to put this in the oven. It's now 45, so we're going to come back at 1/2, okay? There it is, straight in the oven, no messing around, no baking trays, none of that. Grab hold of it, put it straight in the oven like that, right there, close, okay? We're going to come back 45 minutes and I'll tell you what it's like, okay? Take care, stay there, see you in a minute. Alright guys, we're back. Time is now 45 minutes later. Are you ready? Let's do it. If only you could tell. Keep saying it, we had smell-o-vision. If only you could smell this kitchen. Smell, it's delicious. Right, ready? Go. Let's do it. I have faith in myself and my cooking and my cooker, so I'm going to turn the gas off. And either way, oh my god, the smell is gorgeous. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, that looks a delish. Oh my god, look at that. You ready? Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Put it on there like that. Lovely. Crispy top. Nice and baked brown. Okay. Because you greased the tin, this will be so much easier to lift out. You just grab all the two ends, pull that to the side, grab all of that, give it a little shake, lift it straight out. Something like that. Okay, do all of that, that to the side, and there you have it. And peel it very slowly, because it's going to need standing time now. And there you have it, look at that, absolutely beautiful. 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 Very hot, be careful, put that paper away. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hold on a minute. Juice will have me on there. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to nick my grill pan. I'm going to nick my grill, what's the name? One of those. And we're going to leave it to cool. I'm going to grab hold of that. Very hot. Put that on now. Leave it to cool. That was when I was chop it up in a minute. Okay, so there you've got it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Absolutely delicious. Okay. I really do want to leave it to let it cool down, but I want to show you just before the video ends. So what we're going to do, but very quickly, just want to cut the end off so I can show you. See? Ah, the steam coming off of that. Oh my god. And there you have it. Look at that. There you go. Homemade, easy, quick fruitcake. Right, Lars? Let's have a little taste and see what it's like, shall we?
And also me. Look at all of that. Look at that. Can I taste as well?
Go, Lars. Delicious. And as you see by the time, about another 10 minutes. What do you reckon, Lars? Nice? Hot?
Yeah.
Remy, want some?
Daddy.
What?
I'm
it.
Yeah,
On it. Oh. Delicious. Moist. Crunchy. Beautiful. Okay. And that's it. Easy. Homemade. Fruitcake. Done. See you later.